So now we have connected to Lazy Horse Race Club. We've upgraded our horses all the way. We've raced. We've gotten to a P2E race. For right now, I want you guys to not worry about stakes or custom. I will have a video out the day that those are updated. I mean, you can jump in both, but we're having a little bit of issues more with custom than stakes. It's asking for a password for some reason. We're getting around that, but just P2E is where the action happens right now. So we've done that. Now what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna do as well. We're gonna go HopSwap Finance. Now, you know what? Let me actually get off of Crow, and let me actually switch to a new wallet that has no Cronos added. Now what's gonna happen? Connect wallet, MetaMask. I use MetaMask, whatever corresponding wallet you do use, and it's gonna pop up. Connect. Now let me change my display so you can actually see this. So what is going to pop up is this right here. Allow the site to switch the network from Ethereum to Cronos Mainnet beta. This is what we're looking for. This is where the action happens. Switch network. Boom. And it's going to put you into the Cronos network, Cronos Mainnet beta, just like that. Simple, easy. I'm also going to link the Medium article below on exactly how to do it from, you know, adding custom. So yeah, that's literally it. That's how you get the Cronos Mainnet added. It's super easy. We're gonna keep pumping these videos out. We're gonna get a ton of people onboarded into Lazy World. I've got, like I said, about 50 racers onboarded in the last few weeks. I'm gonna keep it pumping. I love you guys. Let's keep these videos rolling.